First at 6, extreme drought conditions and a high threat for wildfires gripping South Florida as a long stretch of dry air continues. At least 20 wildfires are burning across the state. Right now, none in our area.
Take a live look at our Skycam network over downtown West Palm Beach. The start of what will be a very hot February weekend for the Palm Beaches and the Treasure Coast. That's before a cold front moves in to send temperatures dropping into the 40s by the start of next week. So nearly 90 and the 40s. Good evening and thanks for joining us here at 6. I'm Todd McDermott.
And I'm Tiffany Kenny. We have team coverage tonight with the latest on these drought conditions. Reporter Rachel Perry is speaking with an expert about the risk for fires that we're seeing right now.
Let's begin with our Chief Certified Meteorologist, Chris Martinez. Chris, we'll need some heavy rainfall we may not get to make any progress on this drought.
Yeah, it's just about 30% on Sunday as the front crosses our area. As we go through the next 24 hours, still dry into Saturday and very warm as we'll see high temperatures mid-80s. Then our cold front due in. It looks like between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. on Sunday. It does give us about a 30% chance for a quick scattered shower. All the heavier downpours will be out towards the Gulf Stream where there's a little more moisture there. Our air mass is just super dry, so everything we do see on Sunday will be light to moderate, but just not enough to put a big damp on the drought that we're seeing. And then after that, we've got to flip our seasons again. We go from summer to winter very quickly, especially on Monday morning, as overnight lows will be back into the 30s and 40s, wind chills in the 20s and 30s. But if you're planning your Friday night, things are looking good. It's just nice and toasty out there with mostly clear skies. Numbers are still into the lower 80s across western communities of Palm Beach County, mid to upper 70s from the Gardens in towards West Palm. Still 83 in Indiantown, upper 70s, Port Salerno in towards Jensen, 82 out towards Tradition, PGA, Verano area, 78 in Fort Pierce, upper 70s from Wabasso Beach back towards Fellsmere, you're popping about 82, and still warm in Okeechobee, 83. So as we take a look at the next 12 hours, it is going to be above average and on the warm side as numbers tonight across the Treasure Coast will eventually wake up to the lower 60s. Watch that area of patchy fog developing around the turnpike in the morning. Of course, we'll have Nikki in the morning tracking the potential for fog tomorrow morning as you tune in to watch the news at 5 a.m. And then across the Palm Beaches, comfortable and then eventually mild tonight. They'll wake up to the upper 60s. Much more on the near record heat by Sunday and the dramatic drop in temperatures by Monday. The 7-day forecast coming your way in just a few. Todd.
Chris, thank you. More than 30 Florida counties have burn bans in place right now, including all of ours. And one official with the Florida Forest Service says this is the worst dry spell he's seen in his entire career and says right now every wildfire being sparked in the state is being caused by human activity.
Rachel Perry reports on why this year's conditions are so dangerous and how recent cold snaps are making the fire risk even worse.
Roughly 4 months without any substantial rainfall.
This is kind of unprecedented for us.
In his 13 years with the Florida Forest Service, David Grubich says this year is historic.
This is the worst in my career that we've seen it for being this dry.
32 counties have burn bans in place, and Grubich says that's not something to take lightly.
And to be honest with you, right now there is no wildfires caused by Mother Nature. So all wildfires right now are actually caused by humans. So this doesn't mean arson. It means our infrastructure, our activities in the woods, things such as that.
With record-shattering cold weather hitting South Florida this winter, Grubich tells me it's only made conditions worse. That's because frost kills plants.
It was destroyed cellularly by frost, and then that causes that dark brown color that lowers it increases its probability of ignition and lowers its point of ignition. So it starts faster, burns hotter, and you give it a gust of the wind, and it's off to the races.
Saying you might not be illegally burning, but it's important to spread the word and ensure your neighbors aren't either.
I love to say it's easy to say common sense and assume that everyone has it, but after the fact, it's kind of late. When that fire is in your backyard and your neighbor started it, you don't care that he didn't have common sense. All you care is that you're trying to save your house now.
In Martin County, Rachel Perry, WPBF 25 News.
And because of this extreme drought in South Florida, our WPBF 25 News First Warning Weather Team is launching a Wildfire Watch series. We're focusing on fire danger, the impacts in our community and environment, and what you can do to lessen the risk of wildfire where you live. Our coverage begins this coming Monday, February 23rd at 4 p.m.